Welcome back to our Tech Lab, where we explore the most exciting cars on the market. Today, we're diving into Ferrari's first ever SUV, the 2024 Purosangue. It's not just an SUV, it's a Ferrari. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Exterior design and styling. First off, let's talk about design. The Purosangue is unmistakably a Ferrari, with its aggressive front fascia, sculpted hood, and sleek LED headlights. The aerodynamic curves aren't just for show, and those quad exhausts at the back? They hint at the beastly performance under the hood. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the Purosangue packs a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12 engine, cranking out 715 horsepower and 528 pound-foot of torque. This SUV rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds with a top speed over 193 miles per hour. And thanks to Ferrari's advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, it handles like a dream, delivering that unmistakable Ferrari thrill. Interior, technology, and pricing. Inside, the Purosangue offers luxury and sportiness with premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. The driver-focused cockpit has a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and optional rear seat entertainment. Now, for all this luxury and performance, the Purosangue starts at around $398,350, placing it firmly in the ultra-luxury category. But for those who crave a Ferrari experience with everyday practicality, it could be worth every penny. Safety and practicality? Safety is also a priority with a full suite of advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. And for a super SUV, it's surprisingly practical with a spacious trunk and versatile rear seating. So, whether it's a high-speed run or a grocery trip, the Purosangue has you covered. In conclusion, the 2024 Ferrari Purosangue is more than just a typical SUV, it's a game-changer that brings Ferrari's legendary performance to a new market segment. If you want a blend of speed, luxury, and utility, this could be your ultimate ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. See you next time.